Rodriguez, of Bitso.com. Jose, welcome back.
Thank you, Max. Always a pleasure being with you.
Well, it's great to have you back on the show. You're one of those guests that we've had going back to the early days of Bitcoin and who have really been part of the growth of this industry. And Bitso is now, I guess, the largest crypto and Bitcoin exchange in Latin America.
That's right. We just surpassed 500,000 users.
Well, it's phenomenal growth, and it shows that this coin, Bitcoin, has had really a profound impact on the global economy and the lives of millions of people all over the world who now understand what it's all about. Now, apparently, our show, Keiser Report, was responsible for installing a new leader in Mexico. That's what the press in Mexico is saying, that somehow Obrador is the result of Max Keiser. How will this impact the currency markets in Mexico and I guess Bitso?
Yeah, well, right now there has been some fluctuation in the exchange rate. We are in the highest rate that we've seen in recent years. There's a lot of volatility and uncertainty. According to surveys, he is the one heading to be the president of Mexico, but there's still some over a couple of months for the election to take place. But it looks like after it's his third trying to be the Mexican president, and it looks like it's probably that he's going to be coming to power and much pushed by Keiser Report.
Oh, yeah. But so in other words, you don't really have a scenario of impacting your business materially one way or another. But let me ask you this. The Mexican peso has tumbled by double digits, as have all the other emerging market currencies, as the U.S. dollar has soared in value. And how does this impact your business?
Yes, there are some people that like to invest or buy U.S. dollars, for example, where an election is coming. Before 1994, each 6 years that Mexico elections take place every 6 years, there used to be a huge devaluation and inflation every 6 years when an outgoing and incoming new president came in. So there's people that like to save in U.S. dollars, and there are some people that also, because of the volatility that they're having, they want to cover future payments in U.S. dollars or cover up. And well, Bitcoin is a way of doing this in cryptocurrencies, but also, as we know, it's a way to moving money in and out of different markets.
All right, and to get back to the political.
So it's really interesting. Mexico is a pretty large economy, and I would say it has probably more than most other countries a stable currency. I mean, the peso is not great, but it's definitely not as bad as like Venezuela or Cuba or some other countries. But this once again shows a large use case for cryptocurrencies, and that's why I think at a 300 billion market cap, 200 billion market cap, 100 billion market cap, it's undervalued. And long term, I still think that cryptos have a great potential, and I do see the cryptocurrency market easily being worth over $1 trillion by the end of this year. So it's good to watch interviews like this and kind of just educate yourself on the use cases for crypto, because it is very speculative right now, and I'm sure plenty of people are panicking, but we finally got a jump in the market. You see that little jump. In fact, I'll zoom in on it so we can all feel good, but look at that, guys. This is a very nice little formation. So let me know what you guys think on the interview, the future of crypto, and I will talk to you guys soon.